Hey there, this is Amit Singh from quickdigitalreviews.com and welcome to my Method X review video. Now I am here inside in the members area of Method, and during this review I'm gonna give you a full run through of this course, and I'm gonna tell you about the prices, upsells, downsells, everything that you need to know about this product. Now Method X is basically an information course that is created by two gentlemen, Mark Barrett and James Fawcett. So these two are very experienced marketers now, and they really know what they are doing. So they have been kind of getting some amazing results using Method X, and that is why they have created this course. Now in a nutshell, Method X is an information course which is basically all about list building, email marketing, and also it makes use of Google Ads to find traffic. Now they are using Google Keyword Planner to sort down the keywords which will be beneficial for your niche, and through those keywords we are identifying which keywords will be beneficial as far as CPC, cost per click, and click-through rates are concerned. So once you have got them, then it's all about finding traffic through Google Ads and then setting up your funnel through email marketing. So it's a pretty long course. I have also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who would like to pick this up via my link, which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. Now if you click that link, it will take you straight away to my bonus page, which looks like this. So I'm giving you 3 days to pick this product up, and this product is gonna go live today at 9 a.m. Eastern. That means on 30th October 9 a.m. Eastern this product is gonna go live, so make sure you are very early to my bonus page. Okay, so let's talk about the bonuses that I am giving you. So bonus number 1 that I am giving you is the Invisible app and training. Now Invisible app is basically an app as well as a training course which is all about solo ads. Now what this app does is that it helps you in finding the best solo ad provider in your niche, and also training shows you how you can make use of this app to get the best results as far as solo ads is concerned. And the value of the bonus here itself is $427. Now bonus number 2 here is 7-minute sales machine. Now this product is basically a information course and it is all about CPA, cost per action. Now cost per action, if you do not know, is basically something that you get paid when somebody completes a short survey or fills out a form through your link, then you get paid. So it's all about CPA, and it's really good source of making money online, and the value is $267.95. Now the next bonus that I'm giving you is how to build buyers list. Now once you have started using Method X and have started getting results, and people have started buying through your link, then you also want to build your buyers list, which is really important because the money is in the list. So you don't want to miss out those important people which can give you more and more sales in future. So I'm going to tell you how you can build your buyers list. And the next bonus that I'm giving you is email marketing to promote offers. Now once you have built your list using this bonus, then I'm also going to teach you how you can promote your offers to your buyers through email marketing. So everything, this is a really depth course, 1 hour really amazing and depth course which will really add value to your purchase of Method X. Now the next bonus is special vendor bonuses. So I'm also gonna give you the bonuses that vendor has given me to give it to you, which is okay, so this is the bonus that I'm gonna give you. Bonus number 1 is dual profit pack $397, double your profits with dual profit strategy bonus. Bonus number 2 is Method X bonus funnel $497. This funnel is battle tested and proven to convert cold traffic into red hot buyers. Bonus number 3 is 3 times day follow-up swipes $97. Take fast action today and get our high converting 3-day follow-up swipes. Bonus number 4 is Facebook Mastermind Group, value $197. So you're also gonna get access to their private training group. Now I'm gonna give you all these bonuses and the bonuses inside my bonus page. All you need to do is just click any of these yellow buttons which say click here to secure your copy and your bonuses on my bonus page. That will take you straight away to the sales page of Method X, where you can pick this product up. So once you have bought Method X, then you will be able to access my bonuses when you go to Warrior Plus and you go to purchase history, and you will see the name of the product, which is Method X. And if you click on Method X, it will take you straight away to this page where it will show access affiliate bonus. Now if you click this button, then you will be able to get instant access to all my bonuses as well as the vendor bonuses. Now, so let me take you to the sales page and let's see how that looks as well. So it is making us $200 to $500 per day passively. Here's how you can replicate our success with 30 minutes of dead simple work, set and forget system, no technical skill, no hard work. Okay, so you can probably go ahead and just explore this sales page on your own, and if you like, you can pick this product up to get instant access to my bonuses as well. So I'm not gonna spend much time. I'll just tell you a couple of things which you need to know. So I already told about the bonuses. Then you are, I think, also getting 30-day money back guarantee, which is pretty cool. So if you do not like the product, then you can anytime return that product and you will get your money refunded. Now, so let's jump back to the members area of Method X, and actually I went through this whole training videos, and it is pretty good, the amount of value that they are providing you. When you click your welcome start here, you can watch this video if you want. I think it's basically a ClickFunnels training workshop, which if you want, you can go through you can register for that live training session by clicking this button. Now let's jump to the main training. They are gonna give you a overview of this method and how this method works, and they're also gonna show you the case study, the live proof, the live results that they have been getting using this method. Now the next module will be getting set up with Method X. Now I already told you it's all about keywords, and it's all about keywords. So the first video, they're gonna tell you about base keyword planning. So first of all, you need to know what is your niche, which niche you are in, and accordingly you will write down your targeted keywords. So this video is all about that, and going to Google Ads and going to Google Ads and using keyword planner to get thousands of keywords related to your niche. Now Bing Ads Intelligence Keyword Gathering Part A, it's all about putting the keywords that you have got from Google to Excel sheet, and then this video is all about sorting those keywords according to cost per click and click-through rates, so that you can select the best keyword which is gonna get you results in lower cost per click. Now, so this video is all about how you can all these videos are all about the keywords, how you can set up your keywords, and the next video is all about setting up your promo pages. Now once you have finalized your keywords, like they are also gonna touch phrase match, exact match, and broad match keywords, which is pretty good. So setting up your promo pages is all about setting up a landing page or a lead capture page where you will send all your traffic to, and from there you will collect their name and email address, and you will direct them to a thank you page. From there, if they click on the thank you page, they will go to a particular offer, and if they purchase that offer, you pick that offer, you get paid, and this is how this whole system works. Now so choosing a product license, right? So they are basically telling you to choose to promote a product for which you have a license, right, so that you can get 100% commissions throughout the funnel. So when you pick license rights for a particular product, then you are you are paid 100% throughout the funnel, so which is pretty good. So that is why they are telling you to promote a product for which you have a license right for. Now VSL segment for bridge pages, they are also gonna tell you a very unique strategy which I do not want to reveal here right now, that will massively boost your sales. So build funnel is all about, building your setting up your whole funnel, like landing page, thank you page, and integrating that with your autoresponder, which is pretty cool. And setting up follow-up campaigns is all about email marketing, and how you can, once you are getting people in your list, then how you can follow them up with emails. Finalizing MethodX traffic, it's all about creating your I'll just briefly cover this whole module. Now this module is all about setting up your campaigns in Bing ads, and once you using those keywords that we have got from Excel sheet, by sorting those things up. Now once you got your keywords, then we will create a campaign in Microsoft or Bing ads, and once you have started getting results using Bing ads, then you can scale your business up using Google ads, and they're gonna teach you how you can create your ad copy as well. And so everything is done in Google ads, and Microsoft ad has been covered here very much in depth in this module. So this is all about this course. And additional traffic sources you can find, if you want, you can go through the additional traffic sources that they have provided here. MethodX bonuses, you can claim your bonuses that is provided on the sales page. MethodX Facebook, you can join them, you can join their Facebook group. MethodX upgrades, so you can, if you really like this product and if you are getting results, then you can upgrade your current purchase from here. If you are in any doubt, you can just contact them for the support and they will help you out. Now so this is what this product is all about. Okay, now let's talk about the prices of MethodX. So I'll jump back to my bonus page. So the front end price of MethodX is $1295, and where you will be MethodX is where will regularly expose his high converting campaigns, allowing your customers to have higher rates of commissions flowing into their bank accounts. Now this is a really affordable price for this product, because remember, for $12.95 you're getting access to MethodX plus all my bonuses. So when you purchase this product today, you get access to MethodX plus all the bonuses on my bonus page that I showed you recently. So so that was the front end version. Now upgrade one is MethodX Fast Track. Will has developed a super secret asset that will have your customers absolutely smashing in results harder and faster with the Fast Track upgrades, which is only for $37. Now upgrade number 2 is MethodX Done For You package. Figuring out how to quickly setting up this hugely profitable strategy is half the battle. We are literally taking the guessing game out of the equation with our complete Done For You package. So you're getting Done For You package second upgrade, so you don't have to do anything. Literally it will save you tons of time, and this upgrade is only for $197. Now upgrade number 3 is MethodX Profit Box. This entails everything you need to maximize profit. The biggest challenge is getting fence sitters to convert into hungry buyers. This upgrade will allow customers to leverage any affiliate or product offers, increase their rate of return and profit 10x, so which is pretty good. Now upgrade 3 is only for $47, and the downsell is $27. Now upgrade number 4 is unlimited traffic. We have gone one better with providing anyone multiple or unique method in tapping into our traffic source. Targeting buyer traffic is tough, let alone getting regular cold traffic to any offer. So they are giving you unlimited buyer traffic with this upgrade, and this upgrade is only for $197. So I think what they are gonna do in this upgrade is that they will allow your Google Pixel code to be added to their sales page, so that you get unlimited buyer and laser targeted buyer traffic. So upgrade number 5, last but not the least, is MethodX license, right? So basically you can sell this product and you can keep 100% commissions throughout the funnel, which is only for $97. So which is also at unbelievable rate, and downsell is $67. So I would really love to go with upgrade number 3, which sounds really amazing. So I would highly suggest you to go with, if you want to pick this up, if you want to pick this up, I would suggest you to go with upgrade number 3. And for this range, for $47, you're getting Method X Upgrade 3 Plus, you're also getting instant access to all my bonuses instantly delivered to you when you take action right now and click any of these yellow buttons on my sales page which say, on my bonus page which say click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So this is what this whole funnel and this product is all about. And if you really like this product, then you can go ahead and purchase this product. Now once again, I want to remind you that this product is gonna go live on 30th October, which is today at 9 a.m. Eastern. So make sure you are very early to my bonus page, or else my bonus page, once this timer hits 0, my bonuses will expire, which obviously is something that I do not want you to miss out on. Now this product is for everyone because this is 100% newbie friendly. This method is not something which needs technical skills. If you are a complete newbie, then also you can pretty much get started with this method and start making money online very soon. So I hope that you liked my Method X review video, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.